hit that subscribe button. Turn on my post notification. Comment down below. Join the strongest people on YouTube. And I'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy, fam. Peace. You ready? Say hey to Debbie. Come on. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it, puppies. Drop it, superstar Maxine. Come here. She wants to go home now. Maxine. I got you. Come here. You want it? You want it? You want it? Come here. Come here. This dude. No. Maxine. No. Come here. This would be cute. Come here, Maxine. No. Okay, you're going on leash. Come on. Come on. Get your frisbee. Where's your frisbee? Get your frisbee. Get your frisbee. Where's your Maxine? Here. Come. Where's your frisbee? Where's your frisbee? Oh my God. Get over here. Maxine! Dog. Maxine! Oh, she's taking it. Where's your frisbee? Where's your frisbee? Come on. Where's your frisbee? Where's your frisbee? Come on. Get your frisbee. Where's your frisbee? Where's your frisbee? I'm just saying. Where's your frisbee? Go find your frisbee. Go find your frisbee. Maxine, where's your frisbee? Ooh. Where's your frisbee? Where's your frisbee? Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Good girls. Good girls. Good girls. Good girls. Can you say, make sure you hit that subscribe button? Give me paw. Give me paw. Sit. 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 Paw. Show the paw. Other paw. Other paw. Other paw. Good girls. Alright. This is for you guys. This is for Debbie. And now we go home. Well, good morning, Buckeye Crew. My name is Buckeye Man. You're the Buckeye Crew. And it's lit every single day. Bucks. If you're not new here, my name is Buckeye Man. We are going to walk Maxine. Today I got the vest, jacket. You know how it is. Bling, bling, bling. If you're not new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Turn on my post notification. Comment down below. Join the strongest people on YouTube. Like today, it's about to go down. Today, we got interviews. We got stuff to do. Let's go walk Maxine from my neighbor, my bestie. So a lot of stuff has been going down. I'm filming a video for my girlfriend, so get you cut up today. My girlfriend is away. We are taking the frisbee to throw some frisbee for Maxine. So let me pause you guys. So today I got with me Miss Maxine. We are walking towards the bypass because we have a lot of time. We get haircuts and we're gonna get a lot of stuff down. If you're not part of the bus, guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notification, comment down below, join the strongest people on YouTube, smash that subscribe button. You know how it is. Like, it's lit every single day. But so we have an interview with the ESU people. You're gonna talk about schooling. So yeah, and we're growing up now. I'm a vlogger. I'm still be vlogging. And once I get married, still be vlogging. You guys are gonna be joining the adventures of my life. I'm gonna get you caught up to everything. Let me pause. If you're not part of the buck, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Turn on my post notification. Comment down below. Join the strongest people on YouTube. It's lit every single day. A lot of stuff we've been doing. We've been making music. I've seen we got over 26 subscribers. So smash that subscribe button. Turn on my post notification. Join the strongest people on the internet. But the strongest people is, you know, the bigger people, the box, the blah blah blah. So if you're not part of the buck, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Turn the post notification, bruh! And comment down below. Join the strongest people on YouTube. And you'll be notified as I post. So, a lot of stuff has been going down. I got Maxine, and we're gonna be walking Debbie's dog. If you don't know who's Debbie, she's my best friend. You want me to walk her dog, and I'm doing it. I'm taking poor Maxine on the bypass, and we're going to throw a couple frisbee, a couple of times, and see how we roll. Maxine, she loves running. So we're gonna take Maxine from the bypass and see how we go. Let's get the car. But a lot of stuff has been going down. Like, we got some stuff doing a lot of crazy meetings. And the boy doesn't have his wallet, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this. So, if you're part of the Buckeye, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification, comment down below, join the strongest people on YouTube. And it's lit every single day. But, so, it's gonna be one of those days we're gonna open to success. We're gonna do everything. I'm gonna do it. Because we're the strongest people on YouTube. We're gonna do anything to get over a lot of subscribers. So, smash that subscribe button. Turn on my post notification. Comment down below. Join the strongest people on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at David Gonzalez. And so yeah. So it's gonna be crazy because we've been filming all day. Like, today's one of those days. I guess we can turn the camera around for Maxine.